Shout out to Gene. Shout out to everybody in here today. It's CTK on the plate, homie. Grinding so hard, no skate on it. Flying so low, yeah, you know without a team. Unless I'm rolling up, then you know it's with Gene. Keeping all my money, get my minds on my cream. Don't gotta say a word, you can call me Mr. Bean. Chillin' on this track and I'm riding to this flow. Racing to the top, you can call me Uno. Never falling off, yo, I never gotta go. Never like a turtle, yo, I'm never moving slow. Warm-hearted nigga, but my mind is so cold. Check it out. Last week, Jesus told me take him to the stars. I said, wow, though I'd rather hotbox on Mars. Chillin' with an alien, a blunt to my left. You know we moonwalking, he said, watch your step. They put me on a rocket ship, you know we got a split. Flying through that codeine, so that drunk that I'ma dip. Pulling up the dank, sipping on the lane. Floating with an astronaut, blowing on that stank. Time out, the meteor is coming. Gotta put the blunt down, damn, that be bumming. But dang, I was happy, voice all raspy. Alien 3, TD's ass that be clapping. Take it to the top, gotta drip it like a sapling. Oh well, check, damn, that's enough for that. I'ma go and make this money like we living in the trap. Got 3 hollow points, man, we shooting at the stars. Aliens offering me a ride. I got my foreign car, launching like a satellite. We going very far. Don't worry about what I'm doing, cause damn, you ain't the law. I gotta keep it clean, on my mind is get that cream. Gotta keep it saucy, Taco Bell, but I'm with no Supreme. I'ma finish off the flow, go ahead and call me Queen. Man, I'm tired of this shit, bet I keep my mouth shut. I'ma keep it going crazy just like them bubble butts. Getting on my nerves, best you leave, you gon' get cut. I'ma keep this shit bumping on my car, bad.